Hello friends, this is the video to learn how to uninstall Autodesk from your laptop. So click on Start, then Settings. Here click on Install Apps, and here you have to type Autodesk. So we can see we have the list of applications related to Autodesk. Click on this three dot and uninstall. If it will ask the permissions, so click on yes and give the permission to uninstall. If you don't use, so uninstall one by one these all. To finish the installation, you must restart your computer, and also you can do either later. So just restart your laptop. Thanks for watching.